Want to give someone access to a protected page without a password? A one-time login link creates a special URL that works once, then expires. Here's how to create one with the Password Protect WordPress Pro plugin. First, install and activate the plugin, both the Lite and Pro versions. Go to the page or post you want to protect. Open it in an incognito window first. You'll notice anyone can access it. To lock it down, click Password Protect under the Password Protection column. In the pop-up window, click Password Protect this page. The plugin automatically generates a strong password for that post or page. If someone tries to access it now, they'll see a password form. To configure the one-time login setting, hover over the Action column in that same pop-up. Click Edit, set the usage limit to 1, and click Save. You're all set. You'll find the access link icon in that same column. Click it to copy the access link for this protected content. Anyone who opens the page through that link gets in directly, no password required. Head back to the Password Protect tab and refresh. The link is already expired. Try it again and it'll ask for the password instead. Prefer to set your own password? Switch to the New Password tab. Enter it in the New Password field. Set the usage limit to 1 as well for the same one-time effect. Set a password expiry date if you'd like it to stop working after a certain time, or leave it blank for no expiry. Click Submit. Now you've got your own password configured your way with its access link ready to go. Open it in an incognito window. The content loads right away. Refresh the Password Protect tab again, and you'll see this link has expired too. It won't work a second time. Subscribe for more WordPress security tutorials.